Cute little place. Perfect for returning after a long day of sightseeing. Central location. Walking distance to many sites, restaurants and shopping. I love this cute little hotel. Walls are a little thin and the Wi-Fi was weak from our room, but it was strong in the lobby area. The balcony was nice but a little loud at night if you are sensitive to noise. Love this hotel too much. The room, services and location are nice. The room is clean all the time. The location is great because it's near city center. The staff is also helpful. And be wise with your luggage, because there is no elevator here. Superlage, viele cafés und Restaurants gleich in der Nähe. Ruhig gelegen ist 3-Bettzimmer mit eigenem Terrassenteil in Barcelona Altbau, modern eingerichtet, technisch sauber geputzt, bequem Betten. Einziges Manko, zu wenig Abstellfläche im Bad für 3 Personen. Aber insgesamt ein sehr Everything is good, but the accommodation is on the second floor and there is no elevator.